Hello, everyone. We are excited to introduce a new feature on FBM Pro. If you navigate to the Orders tab and click on Print, followed by Pick List, you will notice that a filter option is now available. By clicking on it, you can filter your orders by marketplace or shipping type. For example, let's say you want to generate a pick list specifically for your eBay orders. Simply select the marketplace and apply the filter. In this case, we have 8 unshipped eBay orders. You will also notice a checkbox here. When this is selected, any unshipped orders included in the pick list will automatically be moved to Being Picked status. If you prefer to keep them in their current status while generating the pick list, simply uncheck that box. Now, let us say you want to prioritize your expedited orders instead. Select Expedited, apply the filter, and all matching orders will be sorted based on your storage map.